saying that he was wrong. What I'm saying is people believed him. Okay, you know what? Maybe that's the crazy part. Because when you're desperate for hope, even madness can sound divine. I don't know. Maybe it's just people looking for a sense of purpose, something or a reason to be here. Okay, after the ritual, Kevin was arrested. He was finally going to face serious charges. And I just want to stop and say this. Like, do you feel like this was like his first time doing something like this? Because I feel like you don't just get comfortable and just decide up in one day. Like, this is build up. So I feel like there was some type of intermediate. There's no evidence of this. This is just me interjecting with my paranoid conspiracy theories, right? But in reality, I feel like this is a build-up. So I don't feel like he just decided to up and do this one day. I think that they had done something like this, or he had orchestrated something like this previously, and this was like somebody going, we're not doing this again, you know?